Good morning and welcome everybody to my online class. My dear students, how are you? I hope you are well and I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Our school has arranged online based class. Sequentially, today I will conduct my session with you. This is Muhammad Zahidul Islam, Assistant Teacher Social Science, Nagarat High School, Shelokapa, Zinaida. Dear learners, today I will discuss with you about English for class 8. Especially today I would like to conduct my session about English grammar part. Dear learners, we think that transformation is very important and critical and hard part of grammar. But I think another. If we take anything serious, it is very hard for us. But at first we have to treat that it is easy. Why I cannot? Everybody can, but why I can't? Please share with me. Today I will discuss about transformation of degree. Dear students, I think all of you know that what is degree. Degree is nothing but the comparison of adjective. Comparison of adjective. So, how many kinds of degree? There are 3 kinds of degree. What are they? Number 1 is positive degree. Number 2, comparative degree. And number 3 is superlative degree. Dear learners, when we say something about a person, a place or a thing, only his or its bad side or good side. That means the simple adjective. When we use it in a sentence, we say it is positive degree. But this type of modifier, when we use between 2 persons to compare, we called it comparative degree. Suppose if I say Ratul is a small boy. Okay, here we mentioned that Ratul is a small boy. This is the adjective or modifier what we used to modify about Ratul. Okay, if we compare Ratul with Nishat, what we can write? We can write Ratul is smaller than Nishat. Okay, here we compare 2 persons, Ratul and Nishat. So it is comparative degree. And when we compared a person with many of persons, we called it superlative degree. Yes, when we write Ratul is the smallest boy in our class. Okay, now you can see here Ratul is the smallest boy in our class. So, in our class, how many students? There are many students. In them, Ratul is the smallest. So, when a person compared with more persons, we call superlative degree. So, dear learners, our main target or view to transform the degree one to another. This is the transformation. Today, I will discuss with you about transformation of degree from superlative to positive. From superlative to positive. Now, dear students, take an example. If we write here, Noman is the tallest boy in our school. What is the mean? The meaning that Noman only the tallest boy in our school. There is no boy who as Noman. That means as tall as Noman, just tall as Noman. So there is no boy. We can write here no other boy. No other boy in our school. No other boy in our school as like as Noman. Am I clear? We said that Noman is the tallest boy in our school. Sorry, here we can use tall. The degree tall. Though here tallest, no other boy in our school as tall as Noman. So, if we transfer the superlative degree to positive, use only the. We know the article the is used for superlative degree and article a or an used for positive degree, but in comparative degree there is no article. So, in our superlative degree, we article definite article the in two ways. One is one of the and another only the. So, here we used only the. In this situation, we have to write no other boy in our school is as tall as Noman. So, we can write the rule. Rule 1. At first, we have to use no other. What we use here? No other. And then we used here the due part of the sentences after superlative degree. So, we can write due parts of sentence after superlative degree. Okay, and then what we used? Verb. Then verb. I have mistaken, then I corrected here. Verb. here need to mention that here used verb singular, and then so or as, and then positive form of superlative degree, positive form of superlative degree, and then as, and then subject. Okay, dear learners, now we have made a rule. We have made a rule. Now we try to transform another sentence according to our rule. Okay. Please take an example and try to solve it in your khata. Number 1. Rexona is the most beautiful woman in our village. Okay, dear learners, how can we change it? At first, according to our rules, we have to use no other. Okay? No other. And then due parts of the sentence after superlative degree. What is the due part? Yes. Woman in our village. Now we write here woman in our village. Okay. Then what we can use here? According to our rule, we have to use verb. Though here the subject is singular and tense is the present tense, so we have to use is. Okay, is. Then as, then positive form of the superlative degree. What is the superlative degree here? Totally most beautiful. Here most beautiful is the superlative degree. We know here positive form is only beautiful. Okay, so we can use beautiful, then what can we use? As. Very good. As. Then Rexona. Okay, my dear learners, we can guess the idea. So now I would like to erase the rule towards us, and then another question must be solved without seeing any rule. Okay, now number 2, you can write your khata. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. Okay, there. Now you have to change it or transform it into positive. Yes? What we can write here? Yes, no other. You can remember it. No other. And then city in Bangladesh. Yes. City in Bangladesh. And then we have to verb here. We have to verb. What is the verb? Is. And then We have to use as. Very good. Then, yes, positive form of the superlative degree. Here, the superlative degree biggest. So, big is the positive form of superlative degree, biggest. Okay, big as Dhaka. Yes, thank you very much. We can transfer it according to our rule. I think you have got the idea about transformation of degree superlative to positive. Those are used only the. So, dear learners, I would like to share another form of superlative degree, that means which is used by the one of the. Okay, my dear learners. Now, I would like to share the sentence Khulna is one of the largest district in Bangladesh. Okay, so here we used one of the. When we use one of the, when there are some persons or some places or some things just like same, if they tall, all are equal, quite equal. If they big, they are quite big equal. So, we cannot say there is no here. But here mentioned one of the, that means there are some persons or places or things just like same. Okay. So, we have to say here there are few number, there are few amount of district, that means few amount of places, few amount of things or few amount of person. So, we can use very few, there is a little number. So, we use here very few. Okay, very few. Very few. And another thing we have to follow about previous rule. Okay, due part of the sentence after superlative degree. So, districts in Bangladesh. Okay, then verb. What type of verb we use here? We cannot use this because few districts, this is the plural form. This is the plural form. So, we have to use here are. Then as. Then large. Okay, as Khulna. So, what is the sentence? Very few districts in Bangladesh are as large as Khulna. Okay, if we try to make a rule about it, what will be the rule? This is rule 2. Okay, you may write it on your exercise book. The rule is for using one of the. You can note it, one of the. At first we have to write very few, then due parts of the sentence after or next to, you can write anyone, after the superlative degree. Then verb, we can write in bracket plural. Okay, plural. We write here plural as if we can think that here we cannot use singular verb. We use here are or were according to our tense and subject. Okay. Then so or as plus positive form of superlative degree. Okay, positive form of superlative degree. Then as, then subject. Okay, so we can transfer another sentence according to our rules. Please take an example. Hassan is one of the blackest boy in our class. What can we write here? Very few. Yes. At first we have to use here very few. Then boys in our class. Boys in our class. Then is or are? Yes, are. Are as black as Hassan. Okay, we can write here so. Here we can write so or as, anyone as you like best. But you cannot use here any alternative of this, because you have to use here as only. Okay, so if we write so, this is also right. Okay, now I am erasing the rule and then I will show you another example and you have to solve the question. Okay, so take an example and write your khata. Rohim is one of the wisest men in our locality. In our locality. Rohim is one of the wisest men in our locality. That means there are some wisest person in our locality. Rohim is one in them. Okay. So according to our rule, what can we write here? Yes. Very few. Very few. And then men in our locality. Good. men in our locality. Yes, what can we use here? The verb are so wise, and then as Rahim. Okay. So, what is the sentence? Very few men in our locality are so wise as Rahim. We can use here as against so. Okay. So, my dear learners, I think we have got the idea about transformation of degree from superlative to positive. So, dear learners, no more today, and we will meet again with another subject or another class. So, you will be good and happy until that time. See you again. I would like to conclude my session here and tell them Allah Hafiz.